ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು.
Start.
carry on. ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಗಂ ಗಣಪತಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಗಜಾನನಂ ಕ್ಷಮತ ವಕ್ರತುಂಡ ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಕೋಟಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಸಮಪ್ರಭ ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನಂ ಕುರು ಮೇ ದೇವ ಸರ್ವಕಾರ್ಯೇಷು ಸರ್ವದಾ. ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ನಮಸ್ತುಭ್ಯಂ ವರದೇ ಕಾಮರೂಪಿಣಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಂಭಂ ಕರಿಷ್ಯಾಮಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿರ್ಭವತು ಮೇ ಸದಾ. ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಸುಪ್ರಭಾತಂ ಮಹೋದಯ.
Okay, I will start. I will share some file just
Recording.
a minute.
Recording, madam?
Started, no?
Okay.
I started recording. I'll have to share that. I wanted to share that Taviyat Taniyar file. Just a second.
Ha.
Are you able to see one file I am sharing, Taviyat Taniyar, like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So today we'll be going through this Taviyat Taniyar. Actually, it is Taviyat Aniyar. Yes, madam. Are you able to hear? I am not able to hear it properly. Okay.
No, you said Taniyar and it's here Aniyar.
Aniyar. It starts with the akaram, but when you write it will only that what is left out we will go through quickly. Okay. So first before going into it, last week we studied about Tavatu Pratyayam and Ta Pratyayam. Dono we studied last week. This week we are going to do the Taviyat Aniyar. Only the grammar, this is the last part of the grammar which is left out. Because we have completed all the Chitsana Pratyayam, Karmani Pratyayam, Bhave Prayogam also we have done. Now Ikta, Tavatu, now this one we will finish it. Then we will go lesson by lesson, go through the home, all the, whatever the exercise is given. Once that is finished, for some of you are going to not to write the exam immediately. Whatever you want to repeat, we can go through it once again because it is almost another 5-6 months are left out for the other people. If you are going to write now, this is one grammar I want to finish today. That's the idea. So, can you tell me what is the speciality of Tavatu Pratyayam? Some few points about Tavatu Pratyayam, can you tell me? When you will use it?
In place of Bhutakalam, madam.
Which kalam?
Bhutakalam.
It always represents which kalam, Tavatu Pratyayam. Tavatu, or an example is Paditavan or Kaditavan, Adavitavan, Davitavati. So, which is the column it represents? Present tense, past tense, or future tense?
I think present tense.
Always
means,
past tense. It is Tavatu Pratyayam is a Kridanta Pratyayam. We use it in the place of past tense. Okay? Kartari past tense. When we are in active voice, you don't want to use lakara rupam, like Ramaha apatat, Sita apatat. But you are not very comfortable with the lakara rupam. You forget, arit, apatatam, apatan, apataha, apatatam, apatata, apatam, apatava, apatama. Like that you have to remember. But let us say you are not very comfortable with the 9, this thing. So you choose the Kridanta Rupam. Kridantam I have told some root, that is Dhatu plus Kridanta Pratyaya we add it. Here Tavatu we add it. Ik, Tavatu. Only Tavat will remain. Ik will go off. They are all known as markers. So last week we covered Tavatu Pratyayam. In that, last week, that before that, in that it represents a past tense. So if I say, I ate yesterday, you can use both Lakara Rupam, there are 10 Lakaras are there. Lat Lakaram, Lang Lakaram, Rit Lakaram, like that 10 Lakaras are there. The past tense will be Lang Lakaram. Okay. So we have Napata, Tapatatam, like that. Each verb you know. Parasmepadi verbs you know. Atmanepadi also you are supposed to know. I don't know whether you have studied Atmanepadi, but generally all those padam with our Atmanepadi, you cannot use Parasmepadi Rupam. It is changed. For example, Vandu Dhatu is there and you want to use the past tense. You have to say Avandata, Avandetam, Avandanta. Like that you will have to Avandataha, Avandat. Like that you have to go about it. So Rupams you have to mug up in the Lakara Rupam. It will be changed. But once you switch to Krusanta Rupam, you remember it is for that Tavatu Pratyam is only for the past tense and only for the Kartari Rupam. You know, sorry, yes, Kartari Rupam. There is active voice. Passive voice is Karmani Rupam or Bhave Prayoham. Both we are using it. So up till this much you should be very thorough. For example, I told you, I ate yesterday or I studied yesterday. Use Lakara Rupam. Swapnaji. I studied yesterday.
I studied yesterday. Aham
Yesterday?
Shwaha
Swaha means tomorrow.
Apatam.
Swaha.
Hyaha va?
Hyaha, correct.
Yaha
Swaha means tomorrow. Okay.
Apatam.
Aham?
Aham.
Apatam.
Yaha.
Okay, you are using the, now use the Tavatu Rupam.
Aham. Yaha. Patitavati.
Paditavati. Sir will be telling Aham Hyaha Paditavan. Okay? But Mitram, some friend is telling if you are going to say Mitram Hyaha Paditavat. Only these three. This apatat, apatatam, apatana, that problem you have. But this Paditavan also has 7 into 3, 21 vibhaktis. Okay. We saw they can be used as a Visheshanam. So, Paditavan has 7 into 3, 21 vibhaktis. Pratama vibhakti, can somebody tell? Umaji, can you remember and tell me? Paditavan?
पठितवान् पठितवन्तौ पठितवन्तः
Correct.
पठितवती पठितवत्यौ
No. All the 7 of Paditavan only you complete it.
Oh, no, I don't know this one.
Bhavan Sabdam, no. Bhavat becomes Bhavan. Bhavan Sabda Rupa, I think so. You have already studied that Rupam they have. But anyway, you have to study this. Yes, madam. See, Paditavan, Paditavantau, Paditavantaha, Paditavantam, Paditavantau, Vataha.
Patitavata.
Vata, because Paditavat is the Pratyabhatigam, so Paditavata, Paditavatabhyam,
Bhyam, patitavatbhyam, patitavatbhihi, patitavate, patitavatbhyam, patitavatbhyah, patitavataha, patitavatbhyam, patitavatbhyah, patitavataha, patitavatoh, patitavatam, patitavati, patitavatoh,
Vatsu. Paditavatsu.
Okay.
This is very important. If it is female, you told Paditavati. It is Nadi Sabda Rupam. Okay. So what you will be do for Nadi? Umaji, do you remember Nadi Sabda Rupam?
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
Apply Paditavati.
पठितवत् पठितवती पठितवत्यौ पठितवत्यः
Next. Nadim, Paditavatim, Nadyau, Paditavatyau, Nadihi, Paditavatihi. Okay. Similar, remember Nadi Sabda Rupam? Simply apply for all the Ikaranta Strilinga Rupam. That is the only Rupam you know, na? Nadi Sabdam, Gauri Sabdam, you already know. So that you have to apply. Is there any doubt in Tavatu still now? But that Rupams, a lot of many thing you have to go through. So paditau davitavan, davitavantau, davitavataha, dattavan, dattavantau, dattavataha. Like that different, whatever Kriya Padam you know, that you have to keep on trying it. Okay?
Ma'am, I had a doubt on
Tell me.
Tavatu Pratyaya. In Atmanepadi, how will it be?
Once you change it, Kriya, this one, take the Atmanipadi Dhatu. Let us say Vand Dhatu. Okay? Vand plus Tavatu you are adding. So what it will become? Vanditavan.
Oh, it will be the
Okay?
same conjugation only. Okay.
Same thing, no? When,
Okay.
only you are adding it, Pratyayam, rearrive at the Rupam,
Okay.
Vanditavan, Vanditavantau, Vanditavataha. Only
Okay.
in Lat I told you, the whole thing will go through different. Sorry, Lat means Lakara Rupam. Okay? Vandita, Vandita. Like that it will change. Whereas here, once you arrive at the Pullinga Rupam, the Pratipadikam is Vanditavat. Vandu dhatu plus tavatu. The ik will go away, tavatu only will be removed, means standing. So you will get it vandita vat. So vanditavan, vanditavantau, vanditavantaha, vanditavantam, vanditavatta, then vanditavataha, vandita, vandite, vanditaha, vanditaha, vandit. Like that it will say vanditi. Ikaram last. So Bhavan Sabdam you remember and add only these things. That is enough. And remember, it is used only in Kartari Rupam. Okay? You cannot use it. So, Madam told, Aham Paditavati. So, let us say, we will take Pullingam first. Aham Paditavan. Sir is telling Aham Paditavan. I want it in the Karmani Rupam. How will you say? Because Karmani you have completed. Let us revise all side by side. Paditavan is the word you got it now. But it is only Kartari Rupam. So Aham Paditavan. But I want you to use a Karmani Rupam. It was studied by me. How will you say?
But it is akarmak, no?
Okay, Akarmakaha, whatever it is. Paditavan is not Aham Pustaham Paditavan. It is not Akarmakaha. Aham Hasitavan, like that, if you say only has dhatu, which personally only you can do, something, nothing. Kaha come, that question you cannot ask, though, it can be only Sakarmakaha. So Paditavan is not an Akarmakaha. But I am telling you, Aham Paditavan is one sentence is there. I studied and I am male, like that. For the time being, you take it. How will you convert to Karmani? See, Karmani rules you know thoroughly. What is the Karmani rules?
Maya, Aham will become Maya.
Yes, Paditavan will become. What is the equivalent which can be used in the Karmani Rupam? The Kridanta Padam. That also we have studied. Ta Pratyayam. Okay. Maya. If you are a girl, you will say Maya Padita. No, Maya. That Pustakam is there. Let us say. The Karmani Prayogam will take the Pratama Kartru Padam. So,
Maya
Aham
Pustakam
Pustakam
Patita.
Paditavan. Maya Pustakam Paditam.
Patitaha. Oh,
Ah,
Patitam. Oh,
Padita.
Patitam, yeah.
Because Pustakam is
Yeah,
Napumsalingi,
correct.
so Padita.
Yeah.
Gita Padita. Aham Maya Gita Padita. Because Gita is a Strilinga. Some Pullinga Rupam. Grantaha, let us take. Okay. So Maya Grantaha Paditaha.
Patitaha.
So Paditaha, Padita, Paditam, they will come only in the Karmani Rupam. Only except I told you the exception, the Gam Dhatu and all the Akarmaka Dhatu, they can be even for Ikta Pratyayam, you can use it in the Kartari Rupam. Otherwise, 99% Ikta Pratyayam, Ta Pratyayam is used only in the Karmani or Bhave Prayam. What is the difference between Karmani Prayogam and Bhave Prayogam? Two Prayogam we have seen, no? Karmani and Bhave.
Karmani, there is a karma padam.
Very good. In Karmani, there is a Karma Padam. Okay. Saha Pustakam Paditavan. There is a Karma Padam. Saha Hasitavan. There is no Karma Padam. So, Saha Hasitavan, when you convert it, Tena, Hasitavan equal to, it can be Hasitaha, Hasita, Hasitam. What you can use now? Tena, Hasitam. because there is no karma padam, usually use pratama vibhakti ekavachanam, and in this case you have to use like this, hasitaha, tena hasitaha, because there is nothing, it cannot take karma padam, so always pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Okay, that is a tena has nothing to do with the now verb, so it is completely in Tritiya vibhakti, forget it. Now there is no karma padam to choose whether it is pullinga padam or strilinga padam or napunsalinga padam. So you always compulsorily go with the pratama eka vibhakti rupa. Okay, yeah? This is what we have learned till now. So these concepts, no, it will, I don't know, it is very clear concept. There need not be any confusion. But you should remember Tavatu Pratyayam is always Kartari Rupam. It is always past tense. It is a Kridanta Patrayam. So it is actually a Subantam. It has only the bhava of the verb. Verb, if you really talk about Panini, a verb like that, if you say the original Upadeshya, we call it. That is which he has done the Upadesham. Those dhatus are only Lakara Rupams. And Lakaram is a pure verb. Kriya Padam to generally Lakaram only. But these things have been created to make life easy for us. So you can end up saying Aham Paditavan also. It is okay. Or best thing will be Aham. What will be the Rupam? Apatam. Aham Apatam, past tense. But the best, if you want to use Kridantam, you can use. That is not a, that is what it is created. It is created for that purpose only. Now we are going to see Tavyat Aniya. So what is these things? In the Lakara Rupam, you have seen something like Vidilingam. Do you remember? Vidilingam have you studied? You have studied Latlakaram, Langlakaram, then Lot Lakaram you have studied, no? Order. I can't hear. Lot Lakaram have you all studied?
Yes, we've learned.
Yes, ma'am. We had introduction. And
What about
first
Vidilingam?
lesson.
Vidhi.
That also.
Vidilingam also. Patet. Okay. Patet. Patetam. Pateyuhu. Okay.
Likhet, Likheshu.
That also we have studied. That is a Vidilingam.
Uh,
Vidilingam is just like Lot Lakaram only. But one exception is that Vidilingam you must do. Let it be done is Lot Lakaram. Okay. In Lok Lakshanam, if I say, you all should pateyuhu, like that I am telling. Okay. You all must study. So, te pateyuhu. Exam is coming. All of them should study now. Say pateyuhu. When I say there is a compulsion comes there. Generally in Lot Lakaram can be, they are interchangeable generally. But I will use Vidilingam when I feel you must do it. Like that. So, when something is given in the Vidilingam or say in Lot Lakaram, okay, you better study. How do I say that? Tum pata, tum gacha, you have to go there like that. But it is only tum gacha, tum pata, it is nothing but Lot Lakaram. But I want you to convert it into, say, Karmani Rupam, or you want to put something, it must be done. Then there is another Kridanta Padam which is available to you. Like Tavatu, like Ikta, there is one more Kridanta Padam which is also always denotes past tense. I mean, here tense doesn't come. This Kridanta Padam, Tavyat and here we will see how it goes about it. Here it has a compulsion. You must do. Okay? So whenever Vidilingam is used in the Lakara Rupam, and when I want to convert into Karmani, I go to Tavyat and Aniyar. This is how it is being used. So, okay, let us see. We'll start with this, sir. Sir, read this page.
Vidyarthakaha.
Vidyarthakaha. What is the sandhi used to that? You have studied
Vidhi plus Arthaka. So it is Yan Sandhi, ma'am.
Very good. Very nice. So, Vidyarthakaha is Vidhi plus Arthakaha. Ikaram is there and Ach Sandhi has come. Akaram is there. So, Yan Sandhi has come. So, Vidyarthakaha. So wherever Vidilingam is used and you want to put it Vidilingam, you don't remember. That is a problem. No, Tavatu also we are going because we are not comfortable with the Langalakaram. Similarly, here, if you are not very comfortable with Vidilingam, you can go to Tavya Taniyar, which are Kridanta Rupam. They are not a Lakara Rupam, but Kridanta Rupam, they serve the same purpose. It will convey the same meaning. Only Bhavam is there. Okay, next.
प्रेरणार्थक
Preranam means making somebody do it. Okay. As you go further in Sanskrit, you will learn something called niche you are going to learn. Niche pratyaya. There is one thing called niche. That means, for example, you are teaching. How will you do? I teach. How do I say? Aham.
Patitavati, Patami.
Patami means I am going to study now.
पठेयं
Patami means
पठनीयं
Pataniyam Patitam we are going to see. But there is one which will say, I will be made to study. That is known as Preranatakaha. Niche we call it. Aya, that is the one thing will be added. See, Chorayati, if you take it, or Marjayati, that Aya, that you can hear that Marjaya, Aya will come. When that comes, Chorayati, Ganayati, if you look at all those things, Patayati. See, Patayati means made to teach. Okay. Saha Patati means he read it. Saha Patayati, he is made to teach something to somebody else. That Aya, when it comes, Preranam. Preranam means you make somebody else do something. Okay. So just remember the meaning of the Preranam. Prerana Artakaha means making somebody do it. So Vidyartham is also compulsory, no? You must do it. Patet. Exam is coming, you better patet, I tell you, better read. So Patatu all says you let it be read by you, like that. Whenever you have a lot lakaram, the word English we use let it be done by you, like that. But in the Vidilinga, you better do it, like that. So that same thing, if you want to do it with the Kridanta Rupam, we are using Tavyat and here. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
वे सर्वेभ्यः धातुभ्यः.
So this can be added to all the dhatus.
कर्मवाचकः अथवा कर्मपदस्य लिंगं वचनं च अनुसरति.
So what type of which active voice or passive voice? Karmani prayogam. Always Tavyat and here will be in Karmani prayoga Rupam only. Okay. So the Kartrupadam will be in Tritiya Vibhakti, Karma Padam will be in the Pratama Vibhakti, and this will come. Okay. Ramena Paditavyam. Okay, like that. It will be always in the Karmani Rupam. This if you remember enough. Then the actual the Patadatoga Paditavyam Pataniyam, that only we have to learn. Yes.
कर्मपदस्य विशेषणत्वेन भिन्नासु विभक्तिषु.
Yes. So what about the karma padam? Depending about it, you will change the vibhakti. Okay. For example, karma padam is singular, you will use paditavyam. If it is now in dvivachanam, paditavyam will change into dvipart. That we are going to see. Then it is in the bahuvachanam, accordingly it will change. So vibhakti will be changing as per the karma padasya visheshanam, strilingam, pullingam. That I told now in the Kridanta padam, Linga Bedam will be there. You know, Paditavan, Paditavati. It was never there in the Lakara Rupam. Rama also apatat, Sita also apatat. Only in the Kridanta Padam you have the Linga Bedam. Even though they give the bhavam of the apatat is the actual verb. But that bhavam will come with the Paditavan also. But Paditavan is not a verb. It has only the bhavam. Okay.
रूपाणि तुमन वत् अथवा
This is very important. For Tavyat, it will take the Rupam of Tuman. Tuman, do you remember? Can you quote some example?
Gantum, Patitum.
Paddatu, Patitum.
Khaditum. Khaditum.
Kaditum. So same way you will have to change it because it has that Rupam, how it changes. Twa pratyam is different. Tum pratyam is different. For example, lik dhatu. Lik dhatu. If you take what you will say,
Lekitum. Lekitum.
lekitum, but likitwa. Do you understand? Likitwa, li, whereas lekitum. Similarly, here also it will change. So, tuman pratyaya rupam. This, if you remember, it will be easy for you to apply all the 7 vibhaktis. Next.
Trishu lingeshu. Pullinga patitavyaha pataniyaha akaranta. Srilinga.
Pullinga will look like Rama Sabdam. Paditavyaha pataniyaha. Rama Sabdam same, no? Ramaha. Same thing. Akaranta rupam.
Akaranta Srilinga. Patitavya pataniya. Akaranta Napumsakalinga. Patitavyam pataniyam.
Can you tell Trishu Lingeshu Pattu Dhatu, what is the Tavatu Pratyayam? Same all the three you tell. Pullingam is Pattu Dhatu Pullingam.
Tavat Patitavan. Patitavantau.
Strilinga.
Patitavantaha. Patitavati. Patitavan. Patitavati. Patitavatyau. Patitavantyah.
Napunsalingam?
Patitavantam.
No, Patitavat.
Patitavat. Kshamatam. Patitavat. Patitavatau. Patitavatyau. Patitavataha.
No, Vatya will not come. But Vati only Vatya will come. Paditavat. Martha Sabdarupam.
Dvitiya Vachana.
Marthav Marthaha. Paditavat, Paditavatau, Paditavataha. Only like that it will come.
Patitavatau.
Please write down this Rupams for Pullingam, Strilingam and Napunsalingam. 2-3 times if you practice, you cannot forget it. The Pratipadikam is Paditavat only for all the three. But Pullingam will take a Paditavan, Paditavanto, Strilingam, Paditavati, like that. Napunsalingam, Paditavat, like that. Similarly, if Ikta Pratyam, if you use Pullingam, Pattadatu, Paditaha. Strilingam, Padita. Napunsalingam, Paditam. Okay? Paditam. Here, Tavatu Pratyela, Paditavyaha. Here two are identical. Paditavyaha, Padaniha. Don't know, you can use it. So, Paditavyaha, Ramaha. Strilingam, Paditavya, Sita Sabdam. Napunsalinga, Paditavyam, Phalam Sabdam. It is quite easy. Considering Rama, Sita and all, we know very well. So, same way we can go ahead. Madam Swapnaji, this page you completed.
Karmapadam, Karmani with Vidyarthe, Savya. Karmapadam Anusarati. Balakena Pataha Patitavyaha.
This where you have said this type of form you have seen only in Karmani Rupam, correct? Balakena Pataha. Then if it is Apatat, Balakaha Apatat, Patam Apatat, if it is there, how will you convert into Karmani? Normal, using Lakaram.
Patyate, no?
Patyate. Here Apatat, if it is there?
Apatyate.
No, it should take always Atmanepati Rupam. Patyata. Atmanepati Rupam of Langalakaram only you should use. Only the Yakaram you have to introduce. Vandu Dhatu a Vandata. Tasya Karmani Rupam a Vand Yata. Yakaram will come in between. Same way here you have to use it. Okay. Please, everything you try to recall every time. It may look slightly difficult now, but that's the only way we can remember easily. So, Balakena Pataha Patitavyaha. What will be the Kartari Rupam? Kindly tell me.
Balakaha Patham Patati.
Patati, though it will not give him Patitavyaha.
Kartari you said.
Balakaha Patam Patet.
Patham Patet.
Patet. Vidilingam. Okay. Whenever Vidilingam is there in Kartari Rupam, When you convert into Karmani Rupam, you use Tavya Taniyar. Even Lot Lakaram you can use it. Can you try that Balakaha Patam Lot Lakaram?
Lot Lakaram. Oh my God. Paniraj Mode, you are taking exam.
Patatu,
Are you
Patatam.
good at it?
Correct. It is okay. We will try to remember because only once in a
Patatu.
week.
Okay.
Patatu, Patatam, Patantu.
Patatam.
So if I tell you Balakaha Padam Patatu, convert it into using Tavya Taniyar, convert means you have to come to this place. Okay? For Lot also, it is just like Vidhilinga only, you can use it. Okay? But there is a Lot Lakaram for Atmanepadi is there. It is, you can go there and use the Atmanepadi Rupam for that Dhatu also. Okay? Atmanepadi Lot Lakaram, can somebody tell? Umaji? Take Vandu Dhatu. Atmanepadi Lot Lakaram. Vandu Dhatu.
Avandata, Avandeta.
No, Atmane, Lot Lakaram. I am not telling Lang Lakaram. Lot Lakaram.
Okay, Vandishyate. No. Vandatam, Vandetam, Vandantam, Vandasva, Vandetham, Vandadvam, Vandai, Vandavahai, Vandamahai.
Very good, madam. Very nice.
Man,
So,
I don't remember. I've got it written down.
That's very good. But try to remember, no, it is not a big thing. You can't, because there is no other escape. In Sanskrit, we have got to learn the Rupam. At least one Rupam, if you remember, all others you can keep on applying. That is not a problem. So this Rupam, I think hereafter, for some 15 minutes, either in the beginning of the class or at the end of the class, we have to go through. Neither it will be a very difficult thing for us. Okay? Okay, madam, continue this page.
Balakena Pathau Patitavyau. Balakena Patha.
No. Once you say that, kindly convert it into whatever Kartari Rupam you know, you try to convert.
Oh. Okay.
Then only you know how it became here.
Balakaha Pathau
Patetam Pateyuhu. Balakaha Patau Patetam. No. Balakaha means it will not come. Balakaha always this one only.
Oh, Balakau.
Balakau Patau. Patau Patetam. Pateyuhu is Bahuvachana. Balakau. Balakaha only. So Balakau Patau Patetam. Now convert it.
Convert it to
This one. Patau.
Balakena Pathau.
Here Balakau there you used. Balakau.
Oh, Balakabhyam. Pathau. Patitavyau.
Patitavyau. This is why. So,
this is all
Yau, Yah, the same thing. Patitavyaha, Patitavyau. It is Rama Sabdam, no? So, Patitavyaha, Patitavyau, Patitavyaha. So, depending upon the karma padam, if it is in singular, you get Patitavyaha. And if it is in Dvivachanam, Yau you are getting Ramau. If you are Bahuvachanam, Ramaha, so Paditavyaha. Same thing, Niyaha. Okay. So instead of Paditavyaha, Pataniyaha. Some difference is there. Can you look at it? Paditavya and Pataniyaha. What is the difference? Something is different, no? Can you look at it? Whenever I say Patitavyaha, Pattu plus Tavyam only I am adding. But when Ikaram comes, can you see? Idamaham we call it. As you go further, you will learn about Set Dhatu, Anit Dhatu, like that. Look at the Dhatu Patam regularly and see, for example, Pat Dhatu, you go through it. They will write, if you go to Dhatu Patam of Panini Maharishi, it will be written Pat Dhatu, that's the actual name, and then what is the meaning of it. Pat means what? You are going to learn something, that meaning will be there. Apart from that, it will be written, it is a Set Dhatu, it will come. Okay, Set means it will allow one Ikaram to come in between. Anit dhatu, it will not come. Okay. For example, you take kru dhatu. You know no kru. Karoti, that dhatu. Kru dhatu is always anit dhatu. So if you add the tavya pratyayam, it will not come as, it will come as kartavyam only. Karitavyam, it will never come. Kartavyam. It will never allow idamaham. Idamaham means ikaram will come in between. Here, patu dhatu generally, many dhatus are only 64 dhatus are not, will not allow. That is anit dhatus. Balance and all are only set dhatus. So, padi tavyam. Whereas aniyar, when you add, akaram when it comes, this thing which you are adding, it doesn't allow idamaham. So, idamaham will not come. So, pata niyam only. You are adding niyam, that akaram prevents ikaram to come. So, whenever niyar comes, aniyarla, that akaram is only a marker. So, whenever niyar comes, it will not allow ikaram even for set dhatus. Whereas here, this tavyam, it will allow. Takaram will allow. Akaram will not allow. That is the problem. So just remember this small difference. So whenever pataha paditavyaha, whereas
you
pataha patitavyaha will not come, pataniyaha will come. That's the only difference. Is it okay? Any doubt till now?
Yeah, I didn't understand a word you said, madam.
Set, there
You
is
can
dhatus are designate, have one more designation. One dhatu has a lot of what you call property. For example, if you look at me, I am 5 feet 6 inches, I am fair, I am dark. Like that, one person has lot of attributes. Dhatu has 4 attributes minimum. If you open the dhatu padam and look at it, go to Ashtadhyayi and look at one just type of pat in the dhatu rupam. It will tell you items about it. What is the original rupam of the pat dhatu? Whether it is a Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi or Ubhayapadi, whether it is a Set Dhatu or Anit Dhatu, like that some 4 attributes will be there. So any Dhatu which is a Set Dhatu as designated in the Dhatu Padam, when you add a Pratyayam, like these are all Pratyayas, no? Suffixes. You are adding a Tavyat or Aniyar, suffixes you are adding. When you add it, if it is a set dhatu, and the pratyayam which you are adding, it permits idamaham, then ikaram will come. If it is anit dhatu, even if the pratyayam permits it, it will not happen. Idamaham means one ikaram will come. Pat plus tavyam, pat tavyahan you cannot say. Pati tavyaha you have to say. Because it is a set dhatu. Is it clear? So that set and it, now don't worry about it. It is not at all in your syllabus. But you may ask me suddenly, why madam patitavya whereas pataniyaha? Why patiniyaha has not come? You should not ask. Because when it is akaram, aniyara, niyaha, when you add, it prevents idamagam to come. He cannot come. So pataniyaha, patitavyaha. This is what I want to tell you. Now, it will be easy to remember as you go further. And it is always a karmani rupam. So depending upon a karma vatam, which is ekavachanam, or dvivachanam, or bhagavachanam, it will take accordingly. The verbs are changing. You are seeing paditavya, patay. Next one, go ahead.
what is this? Balakena, balakaihi, no? Balakaihi pathaha patitavyaha.
No, here balakena can be very well there. One by balakaha. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Patam na patani.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
So when it is there, it can come like that.
So, balakaha pathan
What you are trying to tell?
You
So
said
here,
you
what is
said
that
you have
you
to
read
convert it, no?
Try. Okay. Balakena pataha paditavyaha.
So
Balakaha.
balakaha. Oh, I should not say balakaha. Okay, balakaha.
Because balakena is there, you have to say balakaha only.
Okay, balakah patan.
Patan, Dvivachanam you are doing now. Okay, Patan.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
No? Yeah.
Okay,
Patan.
then
Vidhi link, no?
Vidiling you can say Balakaha, Patan.
Patan.
Vidiling, Patet, Patetam, Pateyo.
Pateyuhu.
Wait, madam.
Pateyuhu.
You are
Pateyu.
doing, wait a minute. You are doing Kartari Rupam, okay? Balakaha. So in Kartari Rupam, the verb will follow
Oh,
only Kartrupadam.
okay.
Never go that side.
Patet.
Only when you are Karmani Rupam, you should think. You are in Kartari. So Karmani
Correct,
Padam,
correct.
whether it is singular, plural, or Bhagavacham, doesn't, you don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Only
Yes,
here Patan, the Patau is there.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what will be the Karmani Padam?
Huh?
Patau.
Sit.
Dvivachanam, Patau. Here Balakaha, here it should become Dvivachanam. Same only, no? Patau, Patau. Pratama Vibhakti also Patau eva. Dvitiya Vibhakti also Patau eva. So
Yeah.
Balakaha, Patau.
Oh, balakah pathav. Okay. It pathet only.
Patitavyau. In that place, what you are going to change?
Pathet only. Oh,
Huh?
balakah pathav. Pathet only. No?
Patet you can say in the Vidilingam or
Yeah.
Patatu.
Vidilingam.
Patatu
Oh,
also.
patatu. Okay.
You want to use Langalakaram also, you can put it.
Okay.
Patatu. Whatever you want, you put it. Okay. Next you go. Balakena.
Okay, got it.
Pataha.
Okay, balakena pataha patitavyaha. What is the difference now? What are we doing here?
See, Balake, we are only learning Tavya Tani. What are we doing?
Yeah,
So you have now tried
we
the
just did it, right?
Bhagavachanam.
Balakena.
Pataha you have told now. If you want to convert it to Kartari Rupam, can you try?
Okay, balakaha.
Balakaha.
Patha.
Pataha.
What you want me to change the third sentence, madam, or the first
Third
and the
sentence.
second?
First,
Okay.
second, done
Balakaha.
right.
Yeah, we just finished, no? Balakaha, pathaha, pathet or
Pateyu. Balakaha nala only patet only. It will never change.
correct.
Yes. Third. Now second you go. Balakena pataha paditavya. Balakabhyam.
Balakabhyam abhyasaha likhitavyah.
Change into Kartari Rupam.
Kartari. Balakau abhyasam.
Vyasam.
Lekhitam. No, likhetam. Correct?
Okay, liketam, likeyuhu. So liketam, because balakau you have used. Is it okay? Next. Third.
Balakaihi vidyalayah gantavyah.
Balakaihi will become balakaha.
Balakaha
Vidyalayam.
Vidyalayam. So that will become a Gacheyuhu or
Gachetam, gacheyuhu.
Gacheyuhu.
Gacheyuhu. Okay, lot lagaram.
Gachantu.
Gachantu. Okay, good. Third.
Balakena Gita Patitavya. Balakaha Gitam.
Balakaha.
Balakaha Gitam Pathet.
Patet. Very good.
Patatu.
Geetam. Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Geetam. Balakaha. Pratama. So 3, 1, 1. When you convert it, it will become 1, 2, 1. That 1 will be Kartari Rupam, Karmani Rupam will change. Even though when I say 1, that you got to remember. This one will change. Okay. Second.
Balakena Phalam Khaditavyam. Balakaha Phalam
Khadet.
Khadet or
So balakaha, once
khadatu.
it comes to the middle wala, forget it. It will not work
Yeah,
out. Kartari directly connects with the verb.
yeah. Balakena phalani khaditavyani.
Balakaha.
So, balakaha phalani khadit
Khadet. That's very
or
good.
khadatu.
Yes, yes. Okay. Can you read, madam? Yeah, sorry, Umaji, can you read?
Yeah. तव्यत् अनियरः प्रत्ययान्त रूपाणि पुल्लिङ्ग एकवचनं पठितव्य पठनीयः द्विवचनं पठितव्यौ पठनीयौ बहुवचनं पठितव्याः पठनीयाः स्त्रीलिङ्ग पठितव्या पठनीया
So the Sabda Rupam is the first one, Rama Sabdam. Second one, Sita Sabdam. That only remember. Then only Fatakarke you can put it. Suddenly if you remember Paditavya, you may get confused. So Sita, Site, Sitaha. So Paditavya, Paditavye, Paditavyaha.
पठनीयाः
That is what you have to remember. Sita
पठितव्यं
Sabdam, Rama Sabdam. Because I don't go with the, I remember the original Sabdam. Even in the exam, they give one extra paper, you take it. Last page, rough work, you put it. Whichever you think you should write down before you going into the exam, the Sabda Rupam you can write down. One Vidilinga Sabda Rupam Parasme Badi you write. Patet, Patetam, Patehu. If Atmanepadi is not there, I don't know it is there or not there, I'll have to check up. Next week I will tell you. So if it is there, write down, keep it. So that as you go further, when you write the exam, suddenly if it comes, you can go back to see that, okay, Rama Sabdam, this is Rama Sabdam, what comes, Patet. So same thing you will apply here. Like that you can remember. Napusalingam.
पठितव्यं पठितव्ये पठितव्यानि
Okay. So, patitum, how it comes, they are keeping on repeatedly telling you, it looks like a tumun pratyayam. Okay, we will see how it is. Likitum, so likitavya, like that it is putting. But just it has to remember, it is not a big thing. So if they give drish dhatu, write down the name, immediately remember for drish dhatu, what is a tumun? Drashtavyam it come. So the drashtum it will come. So immediately at the same that rupam you take it. Drashtavyaha, drashtavya, drashtavyam. Dra it will come. Okay. What is the twa pratyam for drish dhatu? Twa. Drish dhatu, you have
दृशितव्य दृशितव्यौ दृष्टितव्याः
Karam will not go. Drishtva. Drishtva. Okay.
Drushtva is katva pratyaya, no ma'am. Tva pratyaya.
Twa only I asked. Tumun and Twa
Oh,
only direct
okay,
joined together.
okay.
Okay. Bhavitum. So, what is Bhavitum? Original dhatu? What's
Bhu
the
dhatu.
dhatu? Bhavitum.
Bhu.
Bhu dhatu. So, when you look at Bhu dhatu, Bhu plus Tavyam should not get confused. Immediately, Bhu dhatu ka Tumun pratyam, what is it? Bhavitum, you will remember. Okay, immediately you will write it. What is the Twa pratyam for Bhu dhatu?
Bhutva.
Very good. So remember why Bhavi you have to remember. Bhu dhatu, when you look at it, what form it takes. Because Tumun, it starts with it. Tavyam also, it starts with it. That takara makes the difference. So they want you to remember. This is easy because you are not yet learned to say it and uneat. It is better to remember that Tumun. Always immediately look at the dhatu. So kru dhatu. So kartum. So it should be kartavya. Kar. It has taken that arna, that remember. Kartavya. Otherwise, if it is twa or some other, you will get confused. Krutva, what is that? Kru, how do I put it? Don't worry. Take the Tumun Rupa. That is the easiest way of remembering. Okay? Kri. Kri Dhatu. What is the meaning of Kri Dhatu?
To do,
Kri.
to do.
No,
No,
to
Sorry,
to
buy.
to
buy.
take.
To buy.
To take,
To
To
buy.
to
buy.
take. Yeah,
To buy.
yeah, 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 yeah.
So Kretum. So once you know Kretum, Kretavya, that will be easy for you. Gam, this is Gam Dhatu. Gam Dhatu means what? What is meaning you should know. Going and coming. Gachati. Okay. Agachat. Whatever you want to say. So Gantum. So even though im is there, gum, it will become gantum. It is something to do with the Nudamaham. That let us, don't worry about it. Always in im will become in, gantum. So gantavyaha, gamaniyaha, like that it will change. Smrudhatu, meaning?
To remember.
Very good. So it takes a smartum. So if you look at all these rikaram, it takes the form of ar. Somewhere you have studied this. Will become ar. Where can you recall? In Sandhi?
Refa.
No. For example, I'm talking
This is
about some.
Gunasandhi. Gunasandhi, ma'am. Gunasandhi, ma'am.
It will become
R
ar.
becomes
Very
R.
good. Ar. It will become ar. So Maharishi, Maha plus Rishihi. You will write that akaram and rikaram both will join together, it will become ar. Maharshihi. Like that you will. So always in Gunatandi, rikaram will take the form of ar. In Vritti Sandhi, the rikaram will take the form of ar. Okay. Guna and Vritti we already studied. So here also it will be smartavyam, kartavyam. Like that it changes, rikaram. Namdatu meaning?
Namati.
Namdatu.
Say.
Worship, Namati. So Nantum. All Makaram is changing into Nakaram. Just have that in your mind as you learn. It will, why it changes, you look at that is Ashtadhyayi, they will give you the reason. What is happening, which, why this change happened. But before that, you remember wherever this Makaram is at the end, Halantya Makaram is there, it will become Nakaram, that you remember. In the case of Takaram comes as a pratyaya, that is suffix. So nantum, gantum, smartum. The vad dhatu, meaning?
To speak. Vadati.
Vaditum. Vach dhatu, vach. That also to speak. Okay, vakti, we have to know. So vach dhatu, vaktum it is. The chakaram will become ik. That is some rule. Chuko, like that one rule is there. So vach dhatu, it also means speak only, but it will take the form of vaktum. Vand dhatu, worship. Vanditum. Looking at E, you know it is a set dhatu. Vanditum. Okay. Over. Now aniyar rupani. I told you in the beginning only that akaram in the aniyar will prevent idamaha. Okay. Pata plus aniyar will be only pataniyaha. Whereas tavyat, it will allow idamaham, it will become patitavyaha. Pat plus ta, one ikaram will come, so patitavyaha. Whereas here in aniyar, it will be pataniyaha. Just pat plus aniyar, pataniyaha. So pataniyaha, Rama Sabdam, pataniya, Sita Sabdam, pataniyam. This is Phala Sabdam. So Sabda Rupam very easy here. So same thing, Lik Dhatu. What is the Tumun Rupam for Lik Dhatu? Lekitum.
Lekitum.
So Lekaniyaha. You cannot say Likaniyaha. That is a very important. The Lik Dhatu, many of us will get into trouble. Because if you don't remember, it is Tumun Rupam. Lik Dhatu, Lik plus Niyaha, Likaniyaha. You should not write Lekaniyaha. Because Tumun Rupam, you have to take it. Similarly, Drishya Dhatu, Drashtum. So Darshaniyaha. Bhudatu, Bhavitum. So Bhavaniyaha. Kridatu, Kartum Karaniyaha. You know, karoti. To do is kridatu. Kridatu, kretum. So, krayaniyaha, krayaniya, krayaniyam. There is some change. Can you know? There, kretumla you take kretavyam, kreyitavyam, krayaniyam you studied. Here, krayaniyaha, krayaniya. This rupam, please mug it up. Write down and mug it up. Gamdatu, gamaniyaha, gamaniya. Smaraniyaha, namaniyaha. Vadaniyaha, vandaniyaha. There is no idamahu, only that much is the important thing. So some abhyasam they are giving, let us try. Praptum. Tavyataniya. Tavyat can try, somebody try. Praptum.
प्राप्यव्यः प्राप्यव्यः
This ap dhatu, whether it is set or unit, you don't know now. Right now you don't know. That's why for the time being, you better look at the ikaram astiva, nastiva, that you got to take care. So, it has to be praptavyam, prapaniyam. Here, if you see the second one, the aniyar, the nakaram has become murdanya nakaram. You can say that another nakaram. Can you know? Tell me what is the reason? Praptavyam, prapaniyam has not come. It has become niyam. Murdanya nakaram. That's soft, that is hashda nakaram has changed into murdanya nakaram. Can you tell me what is the reason? Whenever there is a akaram, that is repaha, there is a repam is there. Okay, ra.
natvam rule, madam.
Natvam rule will apply. So, prapaniyam will come. Ramaha, no problem, but Ramena. Okay. Whereas Lakshmanaha, Lakshmanena, nakaram only is there. Ramala, there is a repam is there, so it became Mudanesha. Okay. Krishnaha, Krishnena. That Sakaram it comes, it will change. So this Natvam, there is a rule. You better remember, whenever repam or the Mudanyasha or Rikaram, if it is there before the normal Nakaram, then it will change into Murdanya Nakaram. That's all. Simple rule. Otherwise, right now you don't have to learn about Natvam. So remember this Rupam. Whenever Prap Dhatu, Ap Dhatu comes, Pra plus Ap Dhatu. Pra is Upasargam. So Praptum. Okay. So Praptavyam, Prapaniyam. Next, Prashtum. Prashtum. What is the meaning of Prashtum? Prichati.
Aska.
Prichadatu. Ask?
Yeah, Prashtum is asked, no?
Okay. So, Prashtavyam,
Prashtavyam,
Prachaniyam. Because
Prachaniyam.
Tuman Rupam Prashtum, na. Looking at it, that only you pick at. Prich disappears. Because it's Sakaram plus Takaram, when they join together, Takaram comes. Chutwa Sandhi, you have not read, because it is a Vanjana Sandhi. When a Sandhi comes, the change takes place. So, Prachidatu plus Tumun, it will become Prashtum. Same Rupam you take it for the time being. So, Prashtavyam, Prachaniyam, because Akaram doesn't cause that Sandhi. So, Prachaniyam as it is, it comes. Prachidatu.
Prachaniyam.
Prach.
Vaktum. Vaktavyam. Vaktavyam. And Vadaniyam.
Ik it is there. So, Vach Dhatu only will transfer to Ik. If it is Vad Dhatu, tell me, Vad Dhatu, that is also speak.
Vaditavyam. Vaditavyam. And Vadaniyam.
Vadaniyam. Vaditavyam, Vadaniyam. That is when you say vach dhatu, which also means to speak only, you have to use vaktum and vaktavyam and vachaniyam, because there is a sandhi there. It is changing the whole thing. Okay. Next.
Jeevitum.
Mm.
Jeevitavyam.
Mm. Jeevitavyam,
Jeev
jeevaniyam.
Jeevaniyam.
Ji dhatu. Okay. Ji dhatu means to live life. Okay. Jeevitavyam, jeevaniyam. Whenever you do this side by side, what is the latlakara rupam for ji dhatu? What is the langlakara rupam for ji dhatu? What is the lotlakara or what is the vidhilinglakaram? Jivet, jivetam, jiveyuhu. Like that, try to remember at least the first line. Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, for the time being, you can forget it. Not much they'll ask. But as you go further, all have to come. Usually in this course, you are taking almost, these courses are hardly 6 months course only. Nobody takes more than 1 year. But now, except sir, nobody is writing the exam, or you may not write the exam also. I don't know. Whatever it be, it is better to thoroughly study it. Okay, not only the Prathama Purusha Rupam. Madhyama
This is
Uttama
only
Purusha.
attempt, madam. I don't know. I will be passing, but it's an attempt. Serious
Then
attempt.
okay. See, it is not at all. Whether you write also, I just don't mind. But it is better to write exams within every 6 months so that you are pushed to study properly. My idea of
Exactly.
writing the
Yes.
exam is somebody should push us to study the whole 10 lessons properly. Only that is important. Now we are not going
True.
to get a new job or anything. Thankfully, I have completed all my 60 years of working and enjoying life. But still, I keep on writing. Now, this March, I am going to write one Chittur exam. And in August, I will write that SS Sabha exam, Turiya we call it. Keep on writing because it improves your. First, when I was learning Paditavyam, Pataniyam, I had no clue what the hell it is. Because we don't understand. It's a different language. I agree with you. What you are in Pravesha, now thoda better no in Parichaya. When you come to
Definitely.
Siksha, you will see a bigger leap. Between Parichaya and Shishya, the growth will be much more than between Pravesha and Parichaya. Parichaya to Siksha. Then you come to Kovida, it will be so big. You will be really, you have to study really very well. But it is such a very nice thing. You have to study. Then only you will improve. No, there you will learn about Kavyas, you will learn about so many things. That's okay. We will study.
Ma'am, one small doubt in there. In this Trishulingeshu will apply on all these
Yeah,
near
we
and
start in the beginning only. We start.
so we just did
Karanam.
no. Yeah. Yeah.
Tavyaha,
Yeah.
Tavya, Tavyam is three
So
lingesh.
this is dhatu rupam.
Always in all the Kridantam, lingam is compulsory. I told you, na.
Okay.
Even though they give the feeling of a verb, in the Lakara Rupam, there is no lingam. In all the Kridanta Padas, they give the bhava of the Lakara Rupam, but they are actually Subantam. So when once you call them Subantam, Nama Padam, there will be the lingam, no? Sita Rupam is different. Rama Rupam is different. You cannot do anything about it. Like that here is there. Even Tavatu Linga differences is there. Because Paditavan, Paditavati, Paditavat. Even Ikta Pratyam Linga Rupam is there. Paditaha, Padita, Paditam. Here also Pataniyaha, Pataniyam, Pataniya. All the three are there. Once Kridana Padam, write down in your mind, Lingat Vedam is there. Even though it gives a meaning of a verb, it is not a real verb, it is a Subantam. So it has a Linga Rupam. But when you go to Dakara Rupam, you know there is no Linga difference. Whether boy, girl, or Mitram, you have to only put as a apatat only. It doesn't change. Whereas here it will padita, paditaha, paditam, it will change. Paditavan, paditavadi, paditavat, it will change. Praptavyaha, praptavya, praptavyam. Prapaniyaha, prapaniya, prapaniyam. The minute you cross over to Kridantam, Linga Vedam will come. But people are very comfortable with the Linga Vedam. But they are not comfortable with the Lakara Rupam. So while speaking, while writing, particularly when you are just now learning, no, Kridanta Rupam gives a lot of Easy way. Okay, I can write. Like that, the feeling will come. Lingabedam is there. Melitum, what is the meaning? What is the dhatu?
Milna.
Mil
Mil.
dhatu.
Mil.
Meaning?
To meet.
To join or meet.
Meet also you can put. Generally, varna melanam we call it, no? For example, ikta. Ik plus it. Both plus akaram. Ik, it, a. Ikta. Then what you call it? It is a varna melanam. Two letters are joined. So, melitum is a joining. Meeting also you can put it. So, what could be the aniyat aviyat? Melitum?
Melitavyam. Melaniyam.
That's all. Good. Srotum, very important. What is the dhatu?
Sunna.
Srunu.
Dhatu.
Srunadhat.
So, srunu dhatu. Okay. Srotum. Complete it before I proceed.
Shrotavyam. Shrotavyam and Shrotaniyam. No.
Actually, your ear doesn't permit it, no? So, immediately you should try to remember whether Sru dhatu is a set or aniya. Set dhatu or it is a anita dhatu. There is something is there. Now you can say Shrotavyam.
Shravaniyam.
Shravaniyam. Okay. Here ikaram has not come. Shrotavyam, when you look at it, Shru has become Shro. Tavyam only has come. There is no ikaram.
So it is not said.
Yeah,
it's not said.
very good. Very nice. Good. So you should not put for everything e. Okay, kartavyam only. It is never karitavyam because kru dhatu is always anit. Shru dhatu is always anit. So whatever pratyayam you add, even the pratyayam allows you idamaham, this fellow will not allow. Both should allow. Then only ikaram will come. If this is allow, in case of aniyar, patta allows ikaram, but aniyar doesn't allow. So you will get what? Pataniyam only. It will never be patiniyam because even though pata allows, aniyar doesn't allow. Whereas tavyam allows, pata also allows, so paditavyam. Do you understand? But tavyam allows, but kri doesn't allow, so kartavyam only, never kari. So dono if you allow, only idagam can come when you add a pratyayam. Generally, 99% of the dhatus are idamaham. Some pratyayam, particularly when they are starting with akara rupam, that is swara. Swaram is in the present first letter of the pratyayam. It will never allow idamaham. Okay. Tavatu it is only a halant. So it will allow. So shrotavyam shravaniyam. Then what is a dhatu?
Tavyam.
Dhatu. At least you should understand what is a dhatu.
Is it
That's
Tyajati?
that.
Enama?
Is it
What is
Tyajati?
I can't.
Tyaj.
Tyajati dhatu. Tyaj dhatu. Okay, Tyajasi means
I said
sacrifice.
Taj, ma'am.
What?
Yeah. He said Tyaj.
Tyaj, correct. Tyaj dhatu. Tyajati is your latlakara rupam. Because I told you, ik chakaram will convert it to kakaram. There is one rule is there. Okay. Cha will become ka. There is one sandhi rule is there, which you have not studied because you have not studied this one. Vyanjana sandhi itself is not there in your book now. Next year it will come. So that time we will read. So because of that, tyaktavayam. So tell me what will happen?
Tyajaniyam.
Tyaktavayam, tyajaniyam. Sodum. What is a dhatu?
What is sodum?
Sodum. What is the meaning? Dhatu rupam, I think, sah dhatu.
Never heard.
No. It is
Oh,
there.
sahana.
So,
Sahana, to tolerate.
Oh, Sahadhatu.
sah dhatu. Sahana dhatu ledu. Sahate. Sahate. Atmanepati dhatu. Sah dhatu. So, sodavyam, sahitavyam, sahaniyam. Sodum you can take as sah dhatu. because it permits idamaham sahitavyam and sahaniyam, the sah plus aniyar sahaniyam. But when they give, because it is tumun pratyayam, sah plus tumun will always take sodum only. Okay. Okay. Tatum. What is a dhatu?
Tishtati.
Very good. Tishtati is latlakara rupam.
Tha dhatu.
Sta dhatu. Sta means standing. So
Yeah.
in latlakara rupam it changes into tishtati. So tell me what could be the rupam? Sta.
Stathavyam. Stapaniyam.
Then
Stapaniyam.
sthaniyam. Why you are putting pa
Oh.
in between? Sta dhatu only. So statavyam, sthaniyam. Dhatu plus tavyam, dhatu plus niyam. Okay. Sta dhatu, statavyam, sthaniyam. Sta dhatu is always anit. So it will not allow idama. Statavyam. Akaranta dhatus. Dha. Sta. They don't allow. Da dhatu, dhatavyam. Okay. What about near? Da dhatu?
Yeah.
Okay, homework. Write down and tell me.
What?
Then
I
tum.
don't. What did you?
Da dhatu. Sta
Oh,
dhatu
da.
is told, no, statavyam. Da, dadati.
Okay, da. Okay,
Ah.
Datavyam and Dani. They. I don't know.
Da
Daniyam.
dhatu. Daniyam. Okay,
Daniyam.
dhatavyam, daniyam. Some people write dayaniyam also. I don't know why yakaram came, but I have written like that because my teacher told daniyam also. Okay. Okay. Paktum. What is the original dhatu?
Oh, pakana. Yeah.
Karna, what
Pacha.
should be the origin?
Pach.
Chakaram should be there. Very good.
Pach.
Pach dhatu, meaning
Khana. No, cooking.
cooking. Pach dhatu is parasmepadi or atmanepadi? This is very important. Dhatu is what type?
Pacha.
Then only you can apply those rules. Okay, vandate, vandete, vandante, if it is atmanepadi. Paras here, patati, patataha, patanti. The whole look different.
Pachati. So pachati. Pachata.
What is the question I asked? Whether it is atmanepadi or parasmepadi? It is ubhayapadi.
Parasmepadi
It
dhatu.
is
Ubhayapadi.
Ubhayapadi, madam.
Which is ubhayapadi. So dono will apply. Okay.
Great.
It can be used in the both the forms. For example, Mata is cooking for others. For everybody else, Mata pachati. Okay. Mata is, nobody is there at home. She is cooking for herself. Then you have to apply Mata pachate. I told you, Atmanepadi is doing something for self. That is how it got evolved in the originally. So when Ubhayapadi Dhatus, when you look at it, generally for everybody else, Parasmepadi you have to apply. For only self, Atmanepadi you have to apply. Is it okay?
Yes.
Mata pachate
Okay.
means she is cooking for herself. She is not going to give to any of you. Whereas Mata pachati means she is for the children, for the house she is cooking. But when you use, you don't think that much. Anyone you can use, they will permit. Paktum, Paktavyam, Pachaniyam. Unless you know the Dhatu Rupam, the Aniyar is a problem. You understand? It will not take all the different Rupas. But you have to know the Tuman Rupam for Tavya Pratyayam. So Paktum, Paktavyam. There is a Pach Dhatu, Anit Dhatu. So if you take Akar and the Rupam, what is that? Ejanta. What is Ejanta? Akaranta Ejantaha. Akara Rupyam. How it will take, they are telling. But you should know what is the Ejantaha. Ejanta, when you look at it, H plus Anta. The H becomes Jakaram because of some Jashva Sandhi which you have not learned. So don't worry. Anta means end. Wherever which are what is you I have told you about Maheshwara Sutrani in the beginning. Okay, An means A, I, U. Lyric means r. So, ak means a, e, u, r. Like that we have studied. Maheshwara Sutrani is very compulsory for you to learn about sandhis and balance all this. Ejantam means H dhatu. H is A, O, I, ouch, as per Maheshwara Sutrani. So whenever anta, in the end, a dhatu has either A or O or I or au. This is very important. They will become A. Okay? This is very important. How it becomes A, if you remember, if you want to know, you have learned some sandhi called Yanta Vanta Sandhi. Okay? Echo Vaya Vachaha. Do you remember? It is Ach Sandhi. We have learnt it. Yanta Vanta Desha Sandhi. Yar, otherwise, one more thing is, one more name is there for that. Okay. That Sandhi is applied, it becomes Agana. So if you forgot the Sandhi, remind me, I will take the class tomorrow also. That is not a problem. Because all the Ach Sandhis should be thorough. In Ach Sandhi, number one is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Okay? Do you remember Savarna Dirgha Sandhi?
Yes.
Savarna, because they should be in the same group. Akara, Akara, when they are joining together, Dirgam will come. Savarna, Dirgam. So Akaram will replace both Akaram and both the Purvapadam and Parapadam if they are same. Akara, 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 or Akara, Akara, or Akara, Akara. Only 4 types allowed. Ikaram, same name. Ikaram, like that. Ukara, Ukara, like that. So, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is one Ach Sandhi. Second, Guna Sandhi. Adain Gunaha you have studied. That is, when Akara, Akara is in the Purvapada Santima Varnam, here E, V, R, L, if it comes, it will become A, O, R. That you have studied. Then Vriddhi Sandhi we have studied. Vriddhi means same Akara, Akara in the Purvapadam. Here, instead of E, V, R, L, what you will get? A, O, I. Au. A, O, I, O. It will become, what is the guna letters? I and au and R. This is, it will be replaced. Last one you have studied, Yan Sandhi you studied. In the Purva Padatle, E, V, R, Asti Chet. Parapadatla, Acha Varnanga Asti Chet. It will become E, V, R, L will become Ya, Va, Ra. This is Yan Sandhi. Last we studied Yanta Vanta Sandhi. Here, పూర్వపదం ఏవో ఐ ఔ అస్తి చేత్ పరపదం ఎనీ అచ్చవర్ణం అస్తి చేత్ ఏ విల్ బికమ్ ఐ ఓ విల్ బికమ్ ఔ ఐ విల్ బికమ్ ఐ ఔ విల్ బికమ్ ఆవ్. This is the Yantavanta Sandhi. That is being applied in this Ejanta Dhatu. So they will always get converted into Akara Rupam. Just for your remembrance. Sandhis, please go through. Full mark you will get it if you can do well. If anybody wants more practice in Sandhi, I have around 400 practice lessons I have got. I can send you. But those who write the exam don't do. Others can write. So, Akarantaha, Ejantaha, A will become. Nya dhatu. What is the meaning? Okay, use one sentence in the lang lakara.
Knowledge.
Lakara rupam. Huh? Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Lat lakaram, use it. Nya dhatu. He knows.
Janati.
So, Janati.
Lakara rupam, janati. But dhatu rupam is nya dhatu.
Yeah.
Okay. So, tumun pratyayam.
ज्ञातुम
Jnatum. Tva pratyayam.
ज्ञात्वा
Gnatva.
Yeah, because it is a anita dhatu. It will never get it down. So, Gnatavyam. Near. Jnaniyam. Niyam. That's
Jnaniyam.
Datavyam. Daniyam. Just previous only we told, no?
Oh,
Da.
okay, Data.
Yeah.
So for Gya, what will be the Aniyam?
Jnaniyam.
Jnani.
Dhatu plus aniyam.
जानीयम
That's all.
Okay.
Then Gai.
Opera. To sing.
गातव्यम
Gatavyam.
गायनीयम
Gatavyam. Gaya va ganiyama.
Ganiyam.
Ganiyam.
Suddenly one pa and ya and you cannot repeat that. Dhatu plus niyam only. Nothing more allowed. Okay, yeah. It will look because if you read many things and if you are very sure that is a rupam, you can apply it. That is not a big problem because it is actually one language. So what we hear only we can talk, no? That's okay. But we have not done that much reading in Sanskrit. So go by the rule only. Datavyam dhaniyam, gatavyam ganiyam. What is a use Gaidatu use Latlakara Rupam? Sharma madam is not there. Okay. Swapna madam.
Oh,
Langlakaram.
Gayati.
Gayati.
Oh, Langa சொல்றீங்களா? Okay. Um,
He sings.
mm,
Gayati only.
no, he's in, yeah, Lat is Gayati, but Lang you're asking, no? Gayata.
Agayat. That is same thing. Agayat, agayatam, agayan.
Okay.
Okay, that's all.
What are you asking? Did I answer your question?
No. I said made one sentence. I told you.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
In Latlakara Rupam.
Okay. Saha Gayati.
Gayati. But that ayah sound comes. Whenever the ayah sound comes, because patati only you are saying. You never say patayati, you are not selling. Patati. Okay, davati. But when it comes to ganayati, chorayati, gayati, you are telling. When the ayah sound comes, remember they belong to the 10th gana. Just for your information. Remember this. As you go further into your education, this ayah sound 10th gana and this niche, preranam, I told you, making others do it. That you will understand very well. Just remember, that's enough. Then, what is the dhatu? To call. What is that to call? Invoke. Okay. I don't know.
Vatavyam.
Pratavyam,
Vaniyam.
Aniyam.
Ahvana, I think, has related to this.
Usually, when the ich comes, it will come after the what it's a samakya andar kuch naina. Here, this nakaram is there. Okay. Ahvayati, we are telling now, vakaram is there. So, vatavyam, vaniyam. He calling, ahvayati. Ahvayati, we are telling no. That uhva dhatu, ihve. Ihve means to call, to invoke. In Lakara Rupam, we say ahvayate. Janani ahvayate. Janani putram ahvayate. She is calling the child. So here that under the tummy, bakaram is there. So you have to pronounce vakaram only first. Something, the rule is there. Brahma, when you say ich is there, ma is there. But we never say Brahma, we don't say. We say Brahma, like that only we say. The hakaram will come after the makaram. There is some rule like that.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
at least spelling, if you are correctly
There is.
right, no problem. Yes, madam.
Yeah. No, when the last, right? Ka varga,
When you
cha
write,
varga, the
you will write
last.
ib, ra, ich, ma. But when you pronounce
that.
ra, ma, that ich will come after ma. Brahma, like that we will say. There is some rule. Apram padatu meaning I have to finish. It is going to be
Drink.
Drink.
Pibati.
one sentence. Lakara rupam. Latlakara use karo. Shishuhu.
Shishuhu.
Shiram
Kshiram
pibati.
pibati.
This you remember. Dhatu is pa. Why it becomes pib? There is some change. There is one sutram for that. In fact, yesterday only in Ashtadhyayi, my teacher was telling us, you have to mug up that sutram. Why sta becomes tishta, why gra becomes jigra, why pa becomes piba. There is one sutra. So that we have to learn. But don't worry now. For the time being, these things you don't have. Pa means pibati. So, shishuhu, shiram, pibati. The same thing, it should drink milk. Shishuhu, Shiram, Akara Rupam. Patavyam,
Pas.
Panyam.
Pa.
The child must drink milk. So,
Paniyam.
Akaram plus Tavyam Taniyar as it is. Right. And if you look at it, all the Akara dhatus are always Anit dhatu. Map means measure. Okay, Ma dhatu. Mapika means scale, no?
Yeah.
You studied. Mapika means scale. So Ma means Matavyam, Maniyam. So at this point we will stop it. We will continue in the next class. Okay. And I will send a homework for Tavatu, Ikta, Aniyar, and all together over 100. One page or two pages I will send today. Okay. Today evening. Try to do it.
Okay, ma'am.
That Rupam is very important because you don't know set on it right now. Not necessary to know, but if you know the Rupam, Paditavan only, okay, like that if you know it, it will be easy for you, okay. So for that only. Sir, kindly tell the slogans.
Yes, ma'am. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Gurubhyo Namaha. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad. Okay.